Profile picture. Why do I need a profile picture? I'll become famous, right? Step 3, information. Okay, you know what? This has nothing to do with construction. What is this? What book is this? Oh, it's Facebook for Dummies. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a book on construction. Hold on right here. Alright, I got it. Construction for Dummies. Alright, I'm no dummy though. I am no dummy. Let's see. Step 1. Step 1. Make a blueprint. What in the Blue's Clues is a blueprint? Oh, you know what it is? So you guys know in that TV show, Blue's Clues, right? You know how Blue leaves his paw prints everywhere? Those are his blueprints. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I guess not. Let me just read the definition. Blueprint, a design plan or technical drawing. That sounds cool. You know what? I'm gonna make my own blueprint. Oh look, I have an example right here. Alright, let's see if it comes out the same. Alright. See, I have the color blue. It's a blue marker. And I'm gonna make a blueprint. Alright, oh yeah. Let's add some walls over here. Should I write PKC on it, guys? Yes, PKC? Okay, PKC. Yeah, Oh, maybe 1 plus 1 equals window. Let's do another one. 1 plus 1 equals window. Oh, actually, let me draw Blue's Clues paw prints. Yeah, that would look pretty cool. And then I must sign it. Sign it. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. I'm finished. Awesome.
Hey Carlos, what are you doing there?
I'm making a blueprint.
Oh, cool, but you're doing it all wrong.
I am?
Yeah.
No.
Come on, look at the example of the book and look at your blueprint. They look totally different, right? Look.
They do.
They do. Yeah. So next time, you need to try to follow the instructions in the book. Right here, they'll tell you all the steps you need to make a blueprint.
Instructions? Let me see that.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. Wow. There's so many instructions. And I tried doing it on my own without following the instructions. Wow. I feel like a dummy now. Thank you for your help, though.
Yes, that's why this book is called Construction for Dummies. But it's okay, don't worry. Anytime you need me, okay?
Okay.
See you around.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Carlos.
Alright, let's give them a hand.